Hello, everybody. It's Jay, and today we have a full case unboxing. This is my very first full case Dimoo set, and it is the Animal Kingdom PopMart Dimoo set. I'm so excited. I love animals. I love Dimoo, so this was just I had to have it. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. I might use that for scrapbooking, but here are all of our boxes. Let's start with this one, shall we? Let's put these on the side so we can look at this. Okay, so Dimoo Animal Kingdom, and here are the designs. I love them all, but honestly, my favorite is probably actually the secret. If we don't get it, it's fine. I love all of the other ones as well. I really like the warm polar bear. I love the baby elephant bubble. I like the bear one. It's called Bear Dad. Oh, that's so cute. I love the penguin one. Honestly, I love all of them, but yeah, those are like my absolute favorites. Let's hope for a secret. Did they make the boxes more difficult to open? Or is that just me? Am I just struggling just because? Silica gel. And let's not look at this. The like extras. We don't want spoilers. And it's the regular Dimoo bag. Okay, who is our first one? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Ooh, look at this cute one. I forgot what it's called, but it's Red Panda with Apple. Yeah, that sounds about right. It is a red panda. Oh, look at the tail. Cute. And I already saw he comes with an extra, of course. He has an animal friend. And here is the card. So cute. He also has a stand. Love that. The stand that just says PopMart Dimoo World. Here is his little friend. Oh my goodness. Look. So cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. Or maybe they're a bit they like fighting because Zima looks a bit angry, like he's taking away, or like he looks like he's like taking a bite out of his apple. He's like, "No, I want the apple." Still want my favorites. Those four. Do you have a favorite Dimu set? Because I think this might be my new favorite. Although I do like some of the other ones a lot. This one feels a bit heavier. So let's see what we got. Dun da da da. Oh yes, it's my one of my favorites. It's the polar bear one. Oh my goodness, look at the little design of like the snowflakes on his head. And I think this one is color changing if I remember correctly. With like cold and warm. Oh my gosh, look at the little polar bear, and he has like a little fish that's like um metallic. Also smiling Dimoo, very rare. Do we have any extras? No, we just have the card and more silica gel. And here is the card. So cute. Warm polar bear. So, so precious. I love them so much. Okay, this one is so cute. Let's put him over here. Next one. There we go. Oh, no spoilers, please. This one feels small. Ready? Da 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 da! Yes! It's the one with the elephant! Oh my goodness, look! The bubbles in his head are so cute! And he's like blowing bubbles. Oh, I'm obsessed with the head, like the hair, and with the bubbles being like his ears. Oh, oh my goodness, this one. Oh, oh gosh, I can't eat. Ah, this is too much cuteness. And this one comes with the little elephant that's also blowing bubbles. Oh, okay. This one might be my favorite so far. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh, it's a heart. Stop. Okay. Okay, this is just perfection. Cute. Here is the card. Finish the first row of this one. Come on, secret, please. I cannot tell what that is. Dun, dun, dun. The bunny. Oh, I love the gradient in the hair and the little stars. And look at the little bunny. Cute. Yes, a little tail and also like bunny feet. Cute. Does this one come with extras? Yes, it comes with a tiny. It comes with a tiny sleepy bunny. Oh, cute. Oh, that's sleeping on top of his ears, like here. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. Take that out. Oh, it's so small. Look. Oh my goodness. Don't look at my bad nails. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so precious. I feel like B is probably gonna love this as well. Okay, we're starting with the next row. This one feels a bit heavier again. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. The giraffe. Oh, oh, glossy, and oh, look at that giraffe, and look at that Dimoo with the little apple. It's like a broccoli tail. That's adorable. I love the bow. Oh, I love his expression. I love it when Dimoo is like happy. Like, it's just so cute. Oh, like come on, this is like the perfect series for me. I feel like amazing, absolutely amazing. And this one just comes with the card as well. No other extras. So cute. I'm gonna repeat myself over and over again, but that's just how it is. Next one. Come on, secret. Come on, secret. I know you want to come home. Ta-da! The panda one. Cute. I love the panda head. They did such cute like animations, and actually I really love their comic that they did. Like their little comic illustrations. They did as like a promo. That was so precious. Wait, does this not come with like an extra little bear? Did I miss something? I guess not. I guess he doesn't have a friend. That's surprising. I expected like a little panda. But He is very cute nonetheless. Okay, so let's put this one over here. Let's open the next one. Oops, that one did not open that nicely. There we go. That's better. I just destroyed the box. Okay, sure. Okay, let's see who we got this time. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's the one with the penguin. Oh my goodness, the hat. And his expression with the little wink. Ah, and his outfit, I would wear that. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. I am obsessed. And here is the card. And this one comes with a cute little penguin, a stand, and an umbrella for Dimoo to hold. Go. Let's get those all out. They're holding hands. Look at that penguin. Goodness. There we go. Oh, that is so cute. That might be a close second favorite. Or is this my favorite or the bubble one? I'm not sure. I like both of them a lot. So, yeah. Matte texture with a slight gradient from like gray to a darker gray slash black. I'm gonna need to find space for all of them, but that's a problem for future J. I just noticed this one has like shimmer, like it has like a slight glitter effect on the bunny ears. There's already cat hair on top of it. That's just what happens. But like, can you see that? Trying to show it as best as possible, but it has like this glittery sheen, like almost pearlescent glitter. I love it. And the sun has blessed us with a little bit of light. Don't mind the changing light here. I am filming with natural light, so it does change from time to time. Okay, next one. Dun 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 dun. Oh, this one is also so cute. What is this one called? Tigers Learn to Walk. Yes, he is learning to walk. Oh, this one is so fancy. I love the eyes, like in this yellow color. And I just love the hair being like a tiger as well. And the little tiger. Oh my goodness. So cute. This one just comes with a card, I believe. Yeah. And more silica gel, of course. Oh, so cute. I love it. Last row. Will we get a secret or not? Will the Dimoo goddesses bless us? One, two, three. Yay, it's a ducky one. Oh, this one reminds me of myself, kind of. Like ugly little duckling. I don't know why, but I guess I kind of associate that with myself, and like I'm trying to be a swan, but oh, he has freckles. I am obsessed. Okay, I love any figures or like dolls with freckles, so this one is perfect. But this one comes with some extras. First we have the card again. Oh, this is cute. It's called Duckling Leader, and of course we have a duckling and a stand and also a stick. I don't know what they're actually called, if they have like a specific name for like, when you're in a band and you're kind of conducting how the band is supposed to play. Whatever this stick is called. Let me know in the comments down below if you know. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I love that they come with stands because a lot of the times when figures are a bit wobbly, like Dimoo figures in the past, they sometimes did not come with stands, at least not very stable ones. So I'm very happy that we have some more dynamic poses and that these are holding their poses really well with the stands. So that's awesome. 3 more to go. This one feels a bit heavier, so who knows? Maybe we'll get a secret. I can still hope, guys. Okay. I don't think it's a secret. It doesn't feel big enough. Ready? Let's go. Oh, it's the bear one. And I think you can take off the head. Yes, you can. So you can take the plastic off of him. Ooh, texture of the pants is so cool. Also, I love that you can take off the head. That means that I can use this head for like, I have like a mod of like a body that is like posable, that can fit demo heads like this. So I can use this, and also he has freckles again, and I love the little bear. And it has like this really nice soft matte texture, like the head, and the pants are like really textured. It feels almost like real fabric. It's kind of crazy. Really pretty. I love this one. Does this come with? No, it just comes with the card and some silica gel again. Go. Bear Dad. Yes. 2 more. Can we do it or not? Let's do it. Let's see which one this is. We're still missing the koala, right? Koala and the crocodile. So, let's see which one this is. Ooh, I'm just destroying everything. No spoilers, please. I think I spoiled it. Crocodile. Dun 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 dun. Aw, look at him. Cute. I love the head, like the crocodile head. And he has a little crocodile friend that reminds me of this like game. I don't know if any one of you has played this, but you have to press down on the teeth, and at some point, if you press down on one teeth, it like closes on your hand, and that's when you lose, or something like that. I don't really remember. And here's his little friend. I love the open mouth. It's so funny. So cute, but look at him. He's precious. There we go. So here it is. Number 9. He is the crocodile cleaner. Cute. Last one. Is it a secret or is it the sleepy koala? Honestly, I like the koala, but I love the secret. I want the secret, please. If we get the secret on the last try, that would be pretty wild, but it's fine if we don't. Let's open it up. Dun dun dun! It's the koala. No, that's fine. I really like this one. Look. Oh, it's again this like really soft vinyl. Oh, okay. I like this one a lot. Like it's sleepy, and I love the log. And it also comes with a little friend, a sleepy koala friend that can go underneath the log, right? Like that. Yeah, that's cute. I like it a lot. And come on. Last card. Here it is. Okay, so no secret, but I'm still very, very happy with what we got. Let me just line them up real quick and we'll have a little overview. Here is everyone we got. So many cute ones. And let me know which one is your favorite. I think my favorite has to be the bubble blower. Like that one is just so cute. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.